Whether your practice is Reiki, crystal therapy, hypnotherapy, or quantum healing, the energy of the space, the ambience the client perceives, is very important to a successful healing session, and we can definitely achieve that with crystals. Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic. If this is the first time on this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In this video, I'll show you 6 crystals to create a more conducive healing environment and take care of the healer too. So let's get to it. If you have different spaces, like a waiting area and a separate treatment area, you can set it up with crystals with calming and healing energy. It's like setting the stage and start infusing a subtle energy of healing before the actual session begins. If you have a waiting room, maybe a reception area, you want to have these crystals. And let's start with green fluorite. Green fluorite is a universal healer. It's a crystal of renewal, balance, and is also heart chakra crystal. Those shades of green are so beautiful to look at. So right there, it captures the attention and starts preparing the emotional state for healing. If you're a dentist or oral surgeon, you should have your office packed with fluorite. Next one is Jasper. Jasper. The way I visualize this is to place small tumble stones of jasper in a bowl or a wood piece. And you know what is going to happen? It's almost instinct. Your clients and visitors will reach out for them, hold them, play with them. That's what jasper does. It's a grounding, nurturing crystal. It will bring the client to the present moment. And this is key to start a healing session. Now, moving to the healing room where the actual healing session is going to take place, Apophyllite. I have talked about this crystal in other videos in terms of how it helps develop psychic abilities, reach higher planes, connect with the Akash. So this is not new. But when it comes to a healing practice, and I never mentioned this before, it detoxifies the energy of the field, and it has pure transmission of energy, meaning getting out of your own way, and for the client, offering no resistance. Fuchsia Cord. With this crystal, you get the amplifying effect for the other crystals you will use with that client, but with this variety of quartz, you get to remove blockages, treat emotional and physical trauma, and speed up recovery. This beautiful crystal is rejuvenating, and it just gives that joyful, sparkly feeling. One more thing for the healer. It's very important that you take care of yourself. Make sure your space is clean. Take note of your moods and your overall emotional and physical state after each session. We get busy, and like any other profession, we get caught up on things. And I have said this before, labradorite is the crystal to help you expand your aura and keep that energy field nice and sealed. If you work often with high vibration crystals, black spinel is your grounding cord. This crystal will also help you recover from fatigue, the kind you get when exposed to all sorts of energies, and helping people heal in a holistic way. For all other healers and caregivers, first responders included, you're exposed to a lot of pain and suffering, many times coming from tragic situations. Black spinel helps with anger and grief. So those are my recommendations for crystals for healers. And as I mentioned before, these are for you and for setting up your healing space. Question: how do you set up your healing space? Do you use crystals, essential oils, plants, icons, relics? Let me know in the comments below and how that enhances the atmosphere and helps your clients. Don't forget to like and subscribe. and check out the links below. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.